Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. We had a spare moment at lunchtime, so we've nipped down the local park, not the flying field, to test this out that we got this morning. This is the new Gogo Bird 201 from Hanvon, who have sent us a few things in the past, including a large ornithopter you may have seen, the Gogo Bird Eagle, which we've had a lot of fun with. But this is the Gogo Bird 201, the Bennu. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. So here you go, this is the Gogo Bird Bennu itself. Small little thing, just a little bit bigger than the palm of your hand. When you take it out the box, all you have to do is to push one wing into the socket on one side. That's all you have to do. Then you've got the controller. You need to put a couple of treblés inside that, and then you've got the small battery. You get a couple of those, charge that up with the provided USB lead, and then you're ready to go. There's the little compartment in the side, and that is where you install the flight battery and plug it in. There's an on-off switch underneath. So let's do that and let's get ready for its first flight. Yeah. Here we go. Click the button, flapping, away it goes. Whoa. Actually, when you get the hang of it, it flies in a really tight space. Whoa! Caught it by the tail. There you go. Gogo Bird, the Bennu. I'll have to look up where that name comes from. But a lot of fun. And after those, first couple of attempts, put the tail up, fly it in slow mode. I guess that creates some drag. But and having to pull down on that joystick to slow it down so that it's not trying to climb the whole time, and just letting it do its thing until you want to put in a course correction and turn it. But lots of fun. So the link for this will be in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks to the Gogo Bird guys for sending me this. Always enjoy their products. They've sent us 3 or 4 things now, and we always have a lot of fun with them, and really that's what it's all about. Even though this is at the toy end of the spectrum for 8 years old and up, I think it's utterly fantastic and would get a real laugh down your down the flying club or out with your friends if you just chuck it up in the sky. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe if you enjoy our videos. If you do, then please click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But thanks to Claire for coming out during lunchtime and filming.
It's okay.
And we'll see you in the future for another Essential RC flight test. See you soon.
Bye.